And God took him outside because when Abraham was indoors, he was in his tent and all he could see was the man-made ceiling. So God took him outdoors and told him to look up in the skies, and he needs you to stretch that would stretch billions of light years in any direction, because while he was in his tent, Abram was fixed on his own inability and his own incapacity. So God had to take him outside so that he could sense God's ability and God's capacity, because here it is, Abraham's faith had been reduced to the size of his circumstances. He did what so many of us do. Amen. He put a ceiling on what God could do. He looked at what he was in and determined that's about all that God can do. And so God had to refocus his vision. Someone said refocus his vision. Recast his dream. Say recast his dream. And to get him focused on the promises again. But again, because here it is. Somebody say no limits, no boundaries. No limits, no boundaries. Because what you see as a ceiling is just God's floor.